Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Sweatcoin to GCash. Now the first thing you need to do is to launch the Sweatcoin app on your device. Then you're going to have to verify your Sweatcoin balance within the app. Next, you can explore the offers available, so just navigate to the shop section and explore the digital offers or physical products that are available for purchase using your Sweatcoins. Next, select an offer that suits your preferences and budget. If it's a gift card, you can use it directly on the corresponding platform or sell it for cash. For physical products, you can either keep them or sell them for cash. Now, if you wish to cash out to GCash, after you've chosen a gift card or maybe a physical item or product, then for gift cards, you can redeem it on the relevant platform or sell the product or gift card for cash and transfer the funds to your GCash account. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.